Welcome back again, guys, to V.S.L Concept Digital Marketing YouTube channel. Yes, the one and only YouTube channel that gives you all the secret tips and hacks as to how you can grow your business, promote your products, and make cash from the internet. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to professionally set up Facebook pixel for your websites, sales page, landing pages, and the likes. Guys, you might be wondering, what is Facebook pixel? Is it really important you set up Facebook pixel for you to actually make sales of your product or service online? Guys, in no distant time, I will not just tell you what Facebook pixel is, I will show you how to manually install it on your website, landing page, or sales page. But first, as mentioned earlier, what is Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel is basically a police that is installed on your website to track the record of visitors that come to your website. It does not just track the record of the visitors, it actually tracks the action that they take on the website. Let me give you a typical example. Take for example, guys, this is a website where the owner actually specializes on taking care of health issues, helping people manage their health issues. Health issues like shoulder and neck pain, heartburn, cough, headache and migraine, and the rest of them. And they have a shop page. On this shop page, they have products on this website that they sell to help people manage this. So what we are saying is this. It is very important that while this company is running ads for their products, they want to track the activities of persons who are coming to visit this website. Now, when Facebook pixel is installed on the website, they would actually be able to track what a user does. Take for example, I visit this web page on the shop page and I click on what? Add to cart, or I click on quick view, and then I do what? Click on buy now. Facebook pixel that is installed on this website will be able to track that I have filled in my information and I have made payments for the product. You get the point? So when the user now wants to run what we call conversion ads on Facebook, the user can use the data of this pixel to do what? To run conversion ads. And at that point, what will it do? It will simply show the adverts to people who will come to this website and make payments only. I hope I have been able to explain to you what Facebook pixel is and what it does on a website. Let me just go through it again. Simply put, it is a police that is installed on a website, a landing page or sales page that tracks the activity of every user on the website. So once you have Facebook pixel installed on your website, when people visit that website, whatever action they take, Facebook pixel is going to track it. And once it's tracked, you can use that data to run conversion ads for people to visit your website and patronize you. So this basically is what Facebook pixel does. Now let's go over to the requirement of you installing Facebook pixel on your website. Now the very first requirement is that you must have a website or you must have a sales page. Now we have so many persons who run ads and direct traffic to WhatsApp. You cannot use Facebook pixel. You cannot run conversion ads without a pixel data. You get the point? So the very first requirement is that you must have a website or landing page. If you don't have a landing page, it is very, very important that you have a what? A sales page. Now, if you have none of these, guys, you can still benefit from this video. How? Because I have made a video on how to design a landing page for yourself. You will do it by yourself after watching that video. That video is popping up in the left section up there right now. You can see how to design a landing page step-by-step guide. That's the video. So please watch that video after watching this one so you know how to design a landing page. So I have just told you the first requirement, which is what? A website. You need a website or landing page for you to actually install Facebook pixel on your site. Now the second requirement, which is very, very important, is what we call the ads manager. Yes, you must have an active ads manager running. Ads manager is a place where you run ads. Okay? For those persons in our midst who really do not know how to run Facebook ads, guys, I totally understand how you feel right now. So please and please, I have a video on this channel that shows a step-by-step guide on how you can run Facebook ads on any product or service. The video is also popping up right now. Quickly click on that video, watch that video from beginning to end, and then you will become a professional in running Facebook ads. Watch that video I mentioned earlier on how to set up Facebook ads, then you know exactly how to get your ads manager. It is very easy, very, very simple. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. Watch that video, you know how to get your ads manager. Okay? The video is popping up again on your screen right now. So guys, these two requirements, your ads manager and your website. Once you have these two things, guys, you can now install Facebook Pixel that will track the activity of every user who visits your website. Without wasting time, guys, let us move straight on to practicals, where I will be showing you practically, step by step, how to install Facebook Pixel on your website. But before I do that, guys, you stand a chance to win a very, very special gift worth $100 right now in this video. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end and mention when we'll be dropping 3 emojis on the screen. Yes, during the duration of this video, we'll be dropping 3 emojis on the screen. If you mention the time and the exact emojis we drop, the first, second, and third correctly, if you are the first person to do that correctly, guys, you stand a chance to win a very special gift worth $100. You also stand the chance to win a special gift from us, physical gift we are going to send to you, to wherever you are in the world. If and only if you were able to get the answer to the riddle correctly that we are going to drop at the end of this video. So we are going to have 2 winners in this video. 1 person who is going to tell us the emojis correctly, and 2 the person who answered the riddle at the end of this video correctly. So guys, for us to get started, the very first thing we need to do is to check this website, or check your website if Facebook Pixel is installed on the website. So you can actually know if Facebook Pixel is installed on any website at all. I will show you how to do that now. Now there is a Chrome extension that is called Facebook Pixel Helper. As you can see on my screen, this is the Chrome extension. It is only for Google Chrome users. You can search other browsers to see if they have Pixel Helpers too, but this is for Google Chrome that I'm showing you. I've dropped a link to this extension in the description below, but if you can't use that, just go over to Google and search for what? Facebook Pixel Helper. Alright, after searching, just scroll down. You are going to see it here, Facebook Pixel Helper. Click on it. It's going to take you straight up to the extension, Facebook Pixel Helper extension. So this extension is actually used to verify if Pixel is actually installed on a website or not. So I want to install Pixel on this website now. So I'm going to check this website if there's Pixel. So first thing first, I'll add this extension to Chrome. Add extension. Alright, this extension has been successfully added to Chrome. Now once you come over to the extensions part here, click here, you are going to find Facebook Pixel Helper. Now let me pin it to the top so it will display here. This is the what? Extension. So I will just go over and reload this website. After reloading the website, we will now come over to this Pixel Helper, click on it, and it will tell you no pixel was found on this website and tracking blockers can prevent this. So simply we say that there is no Facebook Pixel on this website. So after installing it, we will come over here and check again to verify if there is an active pixel on this website. I hope you get that correctly, guys. So now let's just move over to our ads manager. Go back to your ads manager. This is the ads manager. Now for you to actually start the setup process, we'll click on this all tools tab here and go over to event manager. This is event manager. If you didn't find it in the shortcut section here, scroll down here, you will find event manager here. Click on event manager, and when it opens up, you will find this page. Now come over here and click on this connect data sources, and you are going to find this connect a new data source. Click on web, click on what? Connects. Automatically to ask you to put in your pixel name, I'll just put a name, Oasis, and I'll click on what? Create pixel. Now it is going to ask for the website URL. So I'll just go over and copy the URL, copy the website URL, and paste it here. Check. If you don't have a website, you can click on this, but I always recommend you have a website, please, or landing page. Always put it here. And we'll go to what? Next. Now, when you come over to this section, click on this meta pixel only and click on next. Now, once you click on that, it's actually going to bring you up to this section where you want to check for partner or install code manually. Now, checking for partner will actually take you through the step-by-step process on how to install it on WordPress alone. But installing code manually is what I usually use. Even if you want to install on WordPress, you can do this. If you want to install on your HTML website or any kind of store, you can also do this. So I always recommend that you use install code manually. So I'm just going to click on this. Exactly. It will now bring up the code. I'll click on copy code and it will say what? Paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section just above the header tag. Install the base code on every page of your website. Guys, forget that big grammar is saying. It's just telling us to do just one thing. Copy this code and paste it somewhere. That's exactly what we're going to do. Now, it is saying we should paste this code in the header section of our website. Now, this website I'm installing on is a WordPress website. If you are using a HTML website, just go to the header section of your website and paste that code there. Now, most of you watching this video may not be a programmer. So I don't want to bug you through the process of going to look for where header section is so that you can now put in the code. I will show you the secret now. What would you do? Head on to the plugin section of your website and click on add new plugin. Now, once this opens up, go and search for a plugin called WP Code. Search for that plugin. You are going to find this WP code inside headers and footers. Now, install this plugin. Now, what this plugin does is it will automatically help you install the code in the position where it is supposed to be. You don't have to do it yourself. I've installed and I've just activated the plugin. Now go down here, you are going to see code snippets. Click on header and footer. Immediately after clicking on that, you now go over to this header section and do what? Paste the code there. This is the code that we copied from where? The Facebook installation guide page. This is the code. Click on copy, come over to this section and do what? Paste the code here and you save changes. Oh, buddy, it is finished. So once you save changes, your pixel have automatically been installed on this website. So we now have to go back to the Facebook installation page and do what? Click on continue. After doing that, you can decide to turn this on or turn it off, depends on you. Let's turn it off and then we'll click on what? Continue. Now, the next section is to set up your event setup tool. Guys, what is an event? And what does the setup tool mean? Let me take you over to our sample website again so you can actually see what an event is. So you can also know why you should also set up an event on your website. Please take note. We have two terminologies. We have Facebook Pixel that we have just installed, and then we have the Pixel event. Facebook Pixel, which we have done, and then what? Pixel event. So simply put, the event is tracking a particular button on the page. Take for example, I want to track this button so I can get the number of persons who clicks on this button. So I can use those number of persons to run conversion ads on Facebook. What would I do? I would just go over to this event setup tool here, open event setup tool. It's going to ask me to put in my website. I will just paste the website there and click on what? Track event. Immediately you click on track event, you're actually going to see this page. Now you can see track a new button or track a URL. Now click on track a new button and it is going to highlight all the buttons we have on the page. I'll just scroll down to that contact us button. Click on what? Contact us. Now I will select the event I wanted to track for this. I'll come down, I'll just click on, let's say, contacts. Click on contact and I'll click on what? Confirm. So automatically, when I click finish setup, I have started tracking this contact us now button. The pixel is keeping record of how many persons are clicking on that contact us now button. So when I want to run conversion ads, I will optimize the ads for this particular event. So it is going to show my ads to people who will take this particular action on my website. Guys, I don't know if you're understanding or following what I am trying to explain to you in this video. If you know you are getting value, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button that is down there. Do it now. Do it now. It will not kill you. Subscribe now if you know you are getting value. Okay? Subscribe now and like this video. Okay? And do what to also share this video. So guys, after doing this, we just click on what? Finish. Once you click on finish, it will bring you back to this page, and now you can click on what? Continue. Now it will take you to the point where you should do what? Verify your domain. Yes, you have to verify to Facebook Pixel that you are the owner of this domain. Now click on this verify option. Now it is opening up a section for you to verify your domain. So what you just have to do is what? It has three main options. One is add the meta tag to your HTML source code, upload the HTML file to your root directory, update the DNS text record with your domain registrar. So you can actually use the second option, which is what? Upload a HTML file to your root directory. That's through cPanel, and also add a meta tag. So for you who is a beginner, just do this first one. Copy this to clipboard. It has been copied. Now go over to your website again, to that header and footer section here that I've just showed you. Come here and do what? Put in the code again. Come over here, click enter, underline 18, paste the code and save changes. So guys, after doing that, we come back to this page and we have done the first and the second part. Now, the third part says after you've published your home page, confirm the meta tag is visible by visiting your website and view the HTML source code. That is normal. And then click verify domain. Note, it may take up to 72 hours for Facebook to find the meta tag code. If the domain status is still not verified, you need to click verify domain or confirm the meta tag is listed in the scrap result of the that. Simply put, you come over here, you are going to see verified here. That's exactly what it means. You get the point? So within 72 hours, this verification will be done. But this verification does not stop you from running ads. It does not stop your pixel from working. So do not be scared if your domain is actually not verified, but try to get it verified. I hope you get the point. So after doing that, we now go over to the next section, click on continue. So after verifying your domains, the very next thing that you may want to do is what? To configure web event. But we have just added one. Remember, that was what we added. That contact we added before is the same thing. We click here to take you to that part. So we can just go to what? Pixel preview. So once we go over to pixel preview, we are actually supposed to see this preview here. So guys, after finishing the setup, you are actually going to see a dashboard or an overview like this. Now you will find different pixel IDs here. Ignore these two. Ignore these two. They were the ones I was trying to create before. Just ignore them. So this is the first one that we are using, that we have connected to our website. See the ID here, 7362736. Now when we go over to that header and footer section, you are going to find the pixel ID here. Where is it again? Where is it again? You are going to find it here, 2736. So this is the one that we connected. So if you want to know if you actually connected the correct pixel, this is what you are going to find it. Okay, so when we go back, we are going to find this pixel here. So how do we know that this pixel is active? Just scroll down, guys. Just scroll down and you are going to find two events active. You find contact event active, and you will also find page view event active. What does this mean? If you come over here, you are going to see that last received 8 minutes ago, 2 events. I have visited the website 2 times. I visited this website twice here. That's the event recorded 2 times. Now, if I click on the contact us button, or when people come and click on contact us button, it's going to record that event and it's going to put it up what? Here. So when you want to run conversion ads and you want to optimize it for contacts, what should you do? Automatically just run your conversion ads and optimize it for contact, and it is going to show your ads to people who will take this particular action on your website. I hope you are getting my point. Now, these are just 2 events. What if you want to add other events to this pixel? How can you do that? Come over here to settings. Now once you go down to settings, you are going to find open event setup tool. Click on it. Now it will bring you back to this point where it will ask you to enter your website. Now let's say we don't want to track a button on the home page, but we want to track purchase button on the shop page. Let me go and get the link to the shop page. This is the shop page. Now I'll copy this link of the shop page and put it there. So any page you want to track, that is the page you are going to enter the URL here. And I'll click on what? Open website. Alright guys, as you can see here, it has taken me to where? This shop page. This shop page. This shop page. And what do I want to track here? I want to track this word add to cart button. You can see add to cart. Now I'll just do what? Track new button. Now see the add to cart button. Click on add to cart and then select an event. You see add to cart. Click on it. Now choose value on page or don't include value. Don't include value, and I'll click on what? Confirm. Automatically the add to cart event is live and is being tracked on your website. So if anybody should visit this website, let me click on finish setup. Finish. Don't ask me again. Yes. Submit. Done. So if anybody should visit this website, guys, the add to cart button, if anybody should visit this website and click on that add to cart, the person's record would actually be tracked. The same thing for purchase. You click on that purchase. The same thing for filling card details. You click on what? Put in card details, and all of that can actually be done from this pixel manager section. Guys, let's go down. Let me reload this page again and see if we will find that add to cart event that we have just set up on this website. Alright, so after reloading, we just go over to overview. Now scroll down. You are going to see add to cart event is now active. Now how about if I want to track if someone have actually made a purchase? Remember guys, that purchase is going to be made on where? The checkout page. On the checkout page, you are going to find what? This place order button. So when someone has finished putting his card information, putting all his information, and he wants to pay to checkout, he's actually going to do that. Click on this place order button. So I will just copy this link, this checkout page link, go over to the settings again to set up another event. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing. If you understand what I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button. Do it now. Do it now. Like this video. Okay? Now go down, open event setup tool. This is it. Click on open event setup tool and now put in the link. What link are we putting? The checkout page link. I don't know if you're getting my point. Now click on what? Open website. Now once you visit the checkout link, you are actually going to do what? Track new button. Now what button are we tracking? Place order. Now someone placing an order, the person is doing what? Making a what? Purchase. Click on purchase. And you are actually going to do what? Don't include value or include value, then you could what? Confirm. Once you confirm, guys, your pixel will actually do what? Track this place order button. So when you run ads on Facebook and you optimize it for purchase, conversion, purchase, automatically you are actually going to put your ads in front of people who will make this purchase alone. I don't know if I'm communicating, guys. Now, what other events can we actually track? Let me put on this track new button and let us see what other events we can track. We can see we can track for add to cart, we've done that. Initiate checkout, we've done that. Leads, purchase, add payment info, add to wish list, complete registration, contact, we have done that. Customize product, donate, find location, schedule, search, start trial, submit application, subscribe, and view content. So all these are the possible things that we can actually do what? Optimize for, where we can set up events for. So let's go over to our overview and see if this event have successfully been added to our pixel. Let me reload the page. Alright guys, so we scroll down. So guys, you can see the purchase events have been successfully set up on this website. Guys, are you happy seeing how I have showed you step by step on how you can actually set up Pixel for your website? Very, very easy. So guys, now let's go over to our home page again and let us see if we can find the Pixel here. On the home page, you click on this. Remember this Pixel Helper tool? You are going to see Facebook Pixel was discovered, which is what? 2376. Now you are going to see all the buttons that were tracked on this Pixel account. All those buttons we tracked, they will all be listed here. So guys, you see that I've showed you everything you need to know about how to set up Pixel for your website, your landing page, your product, your service, or anything. What do you have to pay me back? All you need to do is what? Hit the subscribe button in this channel. Make sure you like this video and share this video to other persons so they can benefit from this wonderful tutorial that I have just given you. Guys, I am sure you saw those 3 emojis that popped up on your screen. I'm sure you saw them. Quickly go to the comment section below and drop the exact time that those emojis popped up, and you stand a chance to win a wonderful Facebook ad course that is worth $100. Guys, after getting that course, you will know that there are a whole lot more secrets that are involved for you to make massive sales from Facebook ads. So quick, go to the comment section below. Be the first person to comment correctly when those emojis dropped, so you can stand a chance to win that special wonderful course that has so much value for you. If you can be able to get so much out of this free course, this free video I've given to you, now imagine what you are going to get in the paid course. So much, don't you think so? So quickly drop your comments in the comment section below. Be the first answer correctly when those emojis dropped, and you stand a chance to win that wonderful course that is value packed. Guys, we now go over to the riddle question of this video. Remember, if you are the first person to answer this riddle correctly, you stand a chance to win a special gift from us. A gift that will be waybill to you. A gift you are going to cherish. So the riddle question for this video is, what has a single eye but can't see? What has a single eye but can't see? Guys, be the first person to answer that riddle question in the comment section below and stand a chance to win a very, very special prize from us. And do not forget, guys, to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Very important, so you'll be updated when we drop the next video, so you can win our prizes. You can learn on how to promote your business, make sales, and make money from the internet. We have some very, very amazing videos that we display on your screen now. In fact, one of those videos is how to professionally set up a Facebook ads account, how to run Facebook ads from beginning to the end. Watch that video and you'll get value. I can't wait to see you in that video. Bye.